Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Motorola Moto G24. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Then click on this application and click install. Now click open and click this button to skip introduction. Then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.